Okay guys, look at this. Again, this shouldn't have happened, but it is what it is. We got it out again. No more cheap parts no more, guys. It's just too much work. No more cheap parts. So, I'll swap out the new pump. I'll show you guys the parts in a second. Not bad this time around, really quickly because I wasn't filming it and everything was new to take off. So I cleaned this inside this tank out super good. A lot of rust and debris in there. Filter's clogged. I hope that's not the problem. Okay guys, here's the OEM pump. Here's the part number. Should have did this in the first place. The instructions come in English and in Spanish. It's the old pump here. Filter. Not bad. Looked at dirty, but not bad. Kind of see through the light. It's the old, cheapo fuel pump. We're gonna pull that off and see the difference. The new pump comes like Delco, AC Delco market. Okay, let's go over the differences. It says REP, I'm guessing that's for, this is a remanufactured part. The Delco brand. Same size. Magnetic. Let's look at the bottom. The Delco brand doesn't have a screen inside here, but I'm guessing because this is really good. This is really, really good compared to this. But this has a screen in it. Look at the design, the difference in the design. The Delco is wider, looks to be a tiny bit wider, may not be. Top pretty much the same. But that's a remanufactured part. This is the real deal here. Comes with a great strainer, guys, or filter. Some more O-rings. We're gonna need these. A nice rubber compared to this rubber that looks to be trying to split already. Definitely a better rubber hose. Some really nice clamps. This one came with some decent clamps. Some really nice clamps. Factory setup. Comes with the rubber boot. This is the one off the pump. Pretty much the same. Well, no, it's not. The Delco is definitely better. Definitely better. So, let me assemble everything back on here, guys. And we'll be installing it tomorrow. Okay, guys, we're pretty much done. Just gotta pop the filter on. Pretty confident this is the problem. All right. Gonna install it tomorrow, guys. Okay, guys, we about to go back up with this thing. Look inside. I cleaned it in super good. Cleaned it out super good again. All right, let's get the fuel pump installed. We're going back up again. Okay, guys, we're done. A little bit much quicker than before, since you know where everything is at. Everything is back in place. Gonna put the wheels on and jack this thing down. Okay, guys, we're about to put some gas in this thing and see what's going on. Check for fuel pressure. Put gas in it. This is our first turnkey for it. We're prime some fuel up. Just want to check the gas hand right now. Make sure we're getting some power. I heard the fuel pump. May take a second for the gas hand to read. Let's see what's getting pressure. Got fuel pressure. Guys, I've also concluded that my fuel pressure gauge may be faulty because I'm getting the same reading as I was before. However, as you guys will see in a second, with the old pump, when I give the engine gas, when I rev it up, the fuel pressure stayed the same. With the new pump, it goes up to where it should be reading at 40 psi, and it didn't do that before. So I've had that thing for a long time. It's time to get another one, better one. But yeah, gonna take the car for a test drive in a second. First true drive with the starter. Let's see what we got. Never felt this good. It's like on gas. You good? Like I just broke out with exhaust leak. You can tell a big difference already. I don't know if you how you was in there, but you didn't want to go. This thing cruising now. I ain't never felt it like this. It feels good, man. It ain't never cruised this long, man. Look at that. It's just coasting on its own.